What is going on, guys? We're back with the OG Coyote swap, and today it's very exciting. I have my friend Nick over here. He brought some equipment, and we're gonna be building an exhaust for this thing.
Yeah.
Because we have the, what are they, ultimate headers?
On this, yeah.
Yeah, so he has the same headers as me, and we have a problem where we don't have a mid pipe for it. And then I want to do side exhaust, and yeah, we're gonna do that.
Make some custom exhaust for this thing.
Yeah.
Get it sounding right.
I also had an issue where the wideband won't fit on this car, so we got to make a wideband bung, and now we're just gonna make full exhaust, and it's gonna sound awesome. So Nick got all these pieces and pipes and everything, and we're gonna do this car, and then we're gonna do his car as well. So he actually switched his car over to a supercharger setup from the turbo.
These are Andrew's new side pipes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because I had side exhaust on the car, and I was planning on keeping it, but it's kind of small, and the 180-degree bend is not going to be very good for the horsepower. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's going to look sweet. It's going to sound wild. Oh yeah.
It'll be really nice.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I feel tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes.
Alright, so this is what we're going with for the tip. Focus just a tiny bit. Looks awesome. Hopefully it won't melt the rest of the side skirt that's left. But
no promises.
Yeah, I mean the exhaust always sat pretty close to it. It needs some repair, but we're gonna do what we can for now.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
gas pedal just a little bit. Just be prepared to turn it off in case it spikes. Needs tune. It sounds really deep. It doesn't sound like a Coyote. Sounds cool. Pro Charger really is like, it makes it wild. All right, and now just some exhaust hangers to keep the exhaust in place. Sounds pretty good. We haven't ran it with the proper tune, but I really like the way it sounds, and it doesn't sound like a Coyote, which is so, that's kind of what I wanted. You know, Coyotes sound cool, but I wanted the deep muscle car sound. So, and I think that is what it's doing. You know, it's got the centrifugal sounds. You know, the Pro Charger's super loud, which is what I wanted. So I think it's going to come together and be a really, really fun car to drive. What'd you think?
Sounds really good.
It's hard to really hear it until it's tuned. I mean,
That blower is so loud.
blower, I mean, car looks sick outside. I mean, it's just been under major repair and not repair, modifications.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be so sick once
Well,
it's
yeah,
done.
Coyote swapped blower, exhaust, fuel system, wheels, the whole 9 yards.
Oh yeah, it's so sick. So happy with it. A little bit more buttoning up and should be ready to cruise.
Yep.
All right, let's do your exhaust. All right, so we got Nick's car in. Recently swapped over from a turbo setup. Now he has some long tubes on, same ones that I have. And yeah, T56 from 6R80 too. So he's gonna be building this exhaust out. Also has the IRS from my 04 Cobra. That car has a built solid axle now, and then he has the IRS. Custom fuel cell.
Look at the side of it there, you can see feet and stuff over here.
All right, Nick has been hard at work getting the full exhaust done all the way to the IRS. With some nice tips. Looking pretty good. Looks like an IRS exhaust.
Right?
I like it.
Just about done.
Yeah, there really aren't any good 3-inch IRS exhausts on the market.
I think JBA and Types are the only two, aside from like Stainless Works. You're paying like $1,400, $1,500 for stainless, I think. Stainless Works.
Yeah. You can make it yourself, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, that is the complete exhaust IRS setup to some Flowmaster mufflers, X-pipe.
Back MagnaFlow, MagnaPack knockoffs.
Yeah, they look just like Magnapacks, but it does say Flowmaster on them.
FX something, Flow FX, yeah.
Very nice. 2 full exhausts done in a day.
Yeah, not a bad day.
With a lunch break too.
Yeah, a car break, lunch break. All the breaks.